Alright guys, welcome back to Kuroja Gaming. I finished the car. I finished the bumper. I put it all back together. It looks great. The owner had given me a paint code, and when I got it, I took that paint code, took it to Napa, and they put the paint in the spray can, and I painted it, the bumper, and I clear coated and everything. I did all the work, and then when I put it on the car, it was actually the wrong color. It was a little lighter. Well, I told the owner, I let them know, and they were a little disappointed in themselves. They gave me the wrong color code, so it's kind of on them. I let them know that I could redo it for them again, but they said that was fine, and they were happy with it. They just, they were a little bummed out with the color code that they gave me. Maybe I should have took the initiative and actually looked for it myself. And just double checked what they had. But overall, it came out good. It looks good. I told them I could do it again, like I said, and they didn't want to, so they said they were going to sell the vehicle anyway. So, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about. There you go. See, it's a little lighter, but it looks great. It looks good. Let me turn it on, open it up and stuff. Let me set up my phone here. Come on. There we go. But yeah, that's it. It looks good. I got them that Audi Emblem from eBay. That's what they wanted. It looks pretty good. Overall, the bumper came out great. I put the fog lights and the directional little lights on that side, and fixed their headlights for them, and I also installed these lights right here. That right there. It's pretty easy to install. All you do is you take that off right here, and you just swap them out. It's pretty easy. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but that's it. You just pop it out, unplug the old one, put the new ones in. But it came out good. Yeah, I didn't paint this. I didn't paint that because I figured it would just match with the grill. It came out good. It's usually you just pop this out anyways, and you put the tow hook on there. So, and then it matches the fog lights and the grill, like I said. So it came out good. Yeah. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll be doing more work like this and posting it up, and if you guys like, just subscribe. Alright, take it easy guys.